My name's Adam Hackett, and I'm from Sitka, Alaska. We do a lot of fishing as a family. My wife, Lexi, grew up fishing with her dad.
It's been really cool to see my dad and Adam, my husband, working together.
We're always trying to, reinvent, just trying to adapt and change what we do it more efficiently, do it with less impact on other species.
When we fish for sablefish with hooks, it's not a matter of if we're going to encounter whales, it's a matter of how many whales there will be and how many fish they take.
It was clear they were feeding off our lines, and then the number of whales doing that increased and they got better at it.
The Sablefish fleet recognized the need to change the way we fish and start using slinky pots. Since we've started using slinky pots, we don't have whales hanging around the boat and the gear trying to take our fish anymore. They're super light. We put a little bag of bait in them and literally just toss them over to the side. They're really, really easy to use. Since we've been using slinky pots, we've had virtually no discarded bycatch.
I've grown up hearing all the old fishing stories my whole life, and then seeing how things are changing, and I think switching into slinky pots is a prime example of that.
Fishing in general is all about adaptation. It's such a dynamic environment.
Fishermen are out here working day and night and changing and adapting and grinding really to produce this amazing seafood that gets shared with everyone around the world.
The work to improve is never done.